Hey creators, I'm Sharan Irfani from SEAI Lab, your go-to hub for mastering AI-powered content creation. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a brand new AI tool for creating video avatars, Tencent's latest open source release that transforms any portrait into a fully animated character, talking, singing, even emoting. So let's dive in. Tencent just dropped one of the best AI avatar tools, made it free for everyone, and even open sourced it. It's called Hunyuan Video Avatar, and it can turn a single photo plus a short audio clip into a realistic character that can talk and sing. It automatically detects the emotion in your voice, understands the context, and animates the face accordingly. And it doesn't work only for humans, it works for animals, paintings, or even cartoons in different styles. Plus, it can animate multiple characters in the same scene. To try it, head over to Hunyuan Tencent, click on Model Square, scroll down and select Digital Human Voice Driven. Then upload your image and an audio clip up to 14 seconds long, or alternatively, type in a text prompt and select a voice. Click Generate and get your avatar ready in just a few minutes.
Hello and welcome to SEAI Lab.
However, right now the waiting time is quite long. The single character mode is also open source and available on GitHub, and the multi-character version will be available soon. To run it locally, you'll need an NVIDIA GPU with CUDA support, ideally 80 GB of GPU memory for smooth results. It can run on 24 GB too, but it'll be very slow. Give this AI tool a spin and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to subscribe to SEAI Lab, and hit the bell so you never miss a weekly AI tool walkthrough. See you next time. Happy animating!